kick higher with these 3 mobility exercises. The first one is our hip rotation. So we're going to use our wall for stability while we get the technique down. We're going to hold onto the wall and stand on one leg. So this knee is going to come all the way up. We're going to pivot this standing foot towards the wall as our hips come around. Pivot, and you'll see our leg comes nice and parallel with the floor. The second one is our hip turn. So we're going to use the wall again. We're going to pop our foot up on the wall, and then we're going to turn facing that way. So our whole foot's going to turn to the direction that we're looking. The final one is our hamstring PNF stretch. We're going to use the wall again. So just come up, legs up, bum really close, move our tailbone down into the floor and push our heel into the wall. Hold for 20 seconds and then repeat on the other side. If you have any questions about these, leave me a comment. Otherwise, if you found these helpful, like and share it with your friends. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I'll see you on the next one.